Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today I want us to continue with our speedy lessons, looking at the word gorota, meaning when you want to urinate. So we don't usually use the word gorota. I want us to look at three phrases that we can use. Instead of saying gorota, you will say go ntsha metsi, go ntsha metsi, go ntsha metsi, go ntsha metsi, ke saya go ntsha metsi, meaning you're going to urinate. Go itia phoka, go itia phoka, go itia phoka, go itia phoka still means you're going to urinate. Go fahla magotlo, go fahla magotlo, go fahla magotlo still means you're going to urinate. Thank you for watching. Please practice those three phrases next time when you're going to urinate, instead of saying ke ya go rota.